Friends, recently in Chennai, there was a very sensational case. A sports teacher of a very reputed school had sexually assaulted a minor girl for 1 year. It brings our head down with shame that society has such dirty animals also living with us. Many school authorities are very hesitant to accept that such a crime can even happen in their institution. What should we do in such a situation? There is a need to create awareness about POXO Act among young boys and girls. Safety audit must be done at every school. Child Protection Committee should be formed in every school, and the Parent Teachers Association should play a more active role beyond an evaluation of academic performance of the student. Never hesitate in contacting the Hyderabad City Police in case you need some help.